Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the AnyProfile indicator. Alright, so the AnyProfile indicator is currently selling for 35 US dollars on the MQL5 marketplace. So the MQL5 marketplace actually enables us to try out the free demo, and that's what we're going to do right now. So we're going to click on this and it's going to take us to our MT4 terminal or MT4 platform. Okay, now we are waiting for the indicator to be added. All right, very good. So the indicator has been added to our navigator. We're just going to drag and drop and we're going to click on test. Okay, so we want to find out how this indicator actually functions. All right, so we're just going to click on start without wasting any time. Now we wait for the indicator to load. So the indicator has successfully loaded on the chart. All right, now we need to understand that this indicator is such that displays market profiles of any duration in any place on the chart. Now I can see that we're having an error here, no data from period 5, from period M5. But we didn't use M5 period for our testing. Let's just try out another. Let us try out another period. Let's just use the daily and let's run this again. Or let us change currency pair entirely and run this again. So let's just head back to the MQL5 marketplace. Let's say we can see that based on the features being listed out here, the indicator properties contains windows, input variables related to the settings of colors, font size, line thickness, and so on. Okay, and all of this, right? But there seems to be an issue with the testing. All right, we have tested some indicators before, but it seems like this particular one is having an issue with the testing. Okay, but we are still going to analyze how the indicator works regardless. Okay, so as we can see, this ideally should be how the indicator looks like, because remember that it helps us to see the market profiles on the chart. All right, so ideally whatever currency pair that you're analyzing, you should be able to see the market profiles on your chart. You can see all these indications directly on the chart. You can also use this based on what we figured here. In the lower right corner of the chart window, there is a pop-up AP button of the main menu, which is conditionally divided into two halves. Clicking on the left half switches groups of control buttons. Clicking on the right half switches groups of fields for entering parameters. So if we are to click on this, okay, so we can actually be able to also control the indicator from here. But I just wish that we had something being displayed here. I think the fault might be from the indicator being tested, okay? Because not long ago, I actually tested another indicator. All right, so I think that would just be all for this. The indicator is even going for sale. So if you're not comfortable with the indicator, we can just, let it be, right? And look for other valuable indicators. But if you still want to know more about the indicator, well, feel free to go to the MQL5 marketplace and learn more about it. And you know, if it meets your trading desires, then of course you can consider making the financial commitment. All right, but you can head over to the Forex Geek website, and there are a lot of free indicators available there. So feel free to also choose from your from the wide array of indicators there if you're looking for free indicators. Okay, just, you know, check the Forex Geek websites if you are looking for free indicators, and there are a whole lot of them available there. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.